Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and coming up is the flagship mid-season glove from RUKKA, the Stanza. Okay, so what we've got here is a full Goretex grip glove. So that's the old Goretex grip technology. It gives you a nice summer feeling glove, but it's a fully waterproof product. So it's full leather construction throughout the whole product, as you can see. But underneath that you've got your Goretex laminated to the outer, laminates well into laminates, so all my jackets use laminates now, and this is a laminated glove from RUKKA. So let's talk about some of the features. Let's run down the back of the glove. As you can see, you've got double layers of leather all over all the fingers, so it's giving you massive amount of protection in the high wear areas on the finger. You've got a joined little finger and first finger there. The reason for that is if you are using it on track days, or if you have a low side, as you low side, your small finger can get caught on the ground and can be pulled backwards, can break it or even tear it off. So they link that with a piece of leather to give you that extra support on that little finger. So that's built into the glove right here. Running down the outside here, you've got extra layers of leather running all the way down the outside of this product. Again, if you do have a low side on those colder track days, that's going to give you all the protection you need. Running across the top still, two 3M Scotch-Lite panels with nod to the road use this glove predominantly will be used for. You've got from 3M Scotch-Lite on it as well. Running down some rubber padding here for extra comfort and extra protection run down the fingers, and then you've got a hard PU knuckle on the back as well. It's got soft material underneath for extra comfort and ventilation points around the outside. Keep running down, more 3M Scotch-Lite on the base, giving you more reflective, more active safety. The only bit of the glove that isn't leather is right here, piece of neoprene running across here. Gives you good flexibility when you're using the glove. Really important, lowers your level of fatigue, it keeps you riding for longer in more comfort. Run down the back again, more leather material all the way down the back. Now comes the business side of the glove. External stitching gives you full comfort range, so it's a nice comfortable glove. You've got none of that stitching digging into the top of your fingernails again to increase the comfort of the product over the long period of time. Full leather palm, then you've got material overlays over here on the high wear areas, so that's giving you more wear time on the glove. The glove will last you longer and look better for a longer time. You've got a skateboard slider system. Again, if you hit the ground, your hand slide away, you get less chance of breaking your skateboard and your collarbone. Really important areas. So if your hand slides away, your collarbone's got less chance of breaking. If your hand stops, it can go up, clink, and break your collarbone. So really important to have a good skateboard slider on the palm. Double overlay of leather, obviously a wrist restraint and a cuff restraint as well. So you've got two restraints down the bottom keeping the glove in your hand. So the RUKKA Stanza glove is available in both this colourway and a plain back colourway, as you'd expect. For any more information on this glove or any of the RUKKA glove range, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk.